Whirlpool presents WDE range of refrigerators. The WDE range comes in three variants. The Classic with wire shelves, which is available in 2-star and 3-star energy ratings, and the Classic Plus and Roy with toughened glass shelves, which are available in 3-star and 4-star energy ratings. Powered by insulated capillary technology, these refrigerators retain cooling for up to 9 hours during long power cuts. These Whirlpool refrigerators ensure optimum moisture retention with honeycomb lock-in technology that makes fruits and vegetables remain fresh for a longer duration. The Auto Connect to Home Inverter helps to connect your refrigerator to the home inverter automatically every time the power goes off, thus delivering consistent cooling and maintaining long-lasting freshness. The 4-star rated products are powered by IntelliSense inverter technology and come with 25 years of reliability on compressors, certified by VDE Germany. The energy-efficient WDE refrigerators ensure less energy consumption. With a wide voltage range of 95 volt to 300 volts, these refrigerators can easily operate without a stabilizer. These WDE refrigerators feature spacious storage, sturdy and durable door bins for easy storage of up to 3 2-liter bottles to cater to your everyday needs. Our products also come with a base stand variant which can be used for the storage of dried food items such as onions, potatoes, etc. This range of refrigerators come with a warranty of 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product page.